Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish adding the roof, and then we set up all the curtain walls for the windows. So now we're going to continue working on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add curtain grids. So for me, I want to add 500 from the top. So here I'm gonna click on 500, and I believe it's easier if we put it in hidden first so that everybody can see properly, and then from at the top I'm going to divide them. So here for the door, I'm planning out the door probably around, I think 700 will be good enough. And then from there, I'm going to divide the window. So I'm going to divide it by 3. And then for the windows that doesn't have the one for the, not for the balcony, I'm just gonna make sure to, I'm planning to pull it up a little bit. The reason for that is it's not something that it needs to be visible. So I'm going to pull it up. If you want the exact, it's going to be base offset, so around 650. So now it's 650 from the base. So now I'm gonna do it on the other side to make everything similar. And then now we just need to add in curtain grids. So here I'm just gonna add in the middle. This one is 700 again, and then put in 500 at the top, and then just divide this. And then here we could put 3 divided by 3. This one as well, we could divide it by 4. And then again here, I'm gonna put 700 and then 500 at the top. And then here we could just divide. And then here as well. $700 here, and then in the middle. This one, I want to add it exactly on the middle here. Okay. And then after that, divide this. And divide this. And then I think I'm good with this. We just need to add the mullions, which is we're gonna add 50 by 65, similar to below. I'm gonna click on all grid every time I have this, and then just a grid line on the sides because I want the same effect as what we have below. So this one, I want it from here and then below. And then only in the casing, no, not even in the casing, I'm gonna delete, if it's possible to delete here. Or I'm just gonna have a single line right here, just for the casing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna select here, and then select there. I know it's more hassle to do this, but it depends on you if you want to do that. But for me, I want to do that because it's just giving me, I think, a nicer look. And then single grill. On the side, it's all single. And then on the left side of this, not that one, and then change it like that. Okay, so that's done with that. Let's finish up. And then now I'm just gonna delete this part right there. So where I'm going to place the door, I'm going to delete those. You can use your tab in order to select. So now I'm done with that. Let's go to insert, load family. We're going to load the door. So go back to the main, click on door, and then here, single glass curtain wall. Click open. Now what you have to do is click multiple on the tab until you have this where it's highlighted only the ones that you're gonna change to a glass door. Now it's highlighting this panel only. Select that, click it, and then here, system panel glaze, drop down. It will be under here. Now it's changed. In terms of orientation, we need to go back to level 2 to change that. But right now, I believe it's easier to just add them and then just change it later on once we're in level 2. So here, I'm just keep on adding them by using my tab and then circulating until you have it highlighted, just the panel. Select that and then click on this. Now let's change orientation if we want to. I'm gonna flip it like that way. Flip it back and flip it right here. This one is just flip it from the outside, and then here just flip it on the outside as well. This one, we just need to move it a little bit like that from the wall. So now, don't forget to keep on saving. We're going to add the railing so that we have it on our balcony. So we need to go to architecture, click on railing, and we have 3 different kinds. What I want right now is just rectangular, and then here you just need to add those like this, but you need to add them one at a time. So click finish. Here we need to do that again, so click on the railing, add it right there, and then going right here. You can use your arrow key to select so that you can move it, and then click finish, press escape, and then click railing again. You need to connect it to the wall, and then just like that, and then you can nudge it in place if you want to maximize the where you want to place it. Escape again, click on railing under architecture, and then just keep on adding. And then click finish. If we check it will look like that. So that's something that you can do. Now we finish the railing as well. We can now change it back to realistic. It looks much better to visualize what we're doing. And then now, before we finish anything else, I believe we need to add in some room tags. So here we have our powder room, we have our laundry, and then we need to create some separation here. So press escape first, and then here we have room separator. By connecting it from the wall to any wall, you're separating it basically. So here we could just connect it right there. This is already a kitchen area. You could always double check. This is right here. We could tag this one as our foyer. With the powder room, we have our carport here. So I think tagging makes it a lot better to see. This is kitchen, and then this is family. And this is our backyard. You can even tag that. In terms of carport, yeah, we could just tag it as carport, but at the same time we're going to remove that area. So here we need separation, so it's saying that it's not separated yet, so I'm just adding that and then clicking on room again. So stairs here, and then we could make this one smaller if we want to. Show area number, so you could change this one as well. You can change how it looks if we change the scale as well. That looks too big, so that one is foyer. Powder room, laundry, kitchen, stairs, living. You can move this one as well right there. Dining, family room, family area, and then this one is backyard. So we have those ones. Let's go to level 2. We can room tag again. Let's add this one. So we're adding at the moment. Let's put this one, change the scale. Bedroom 1, I'm gonna control and control C. Control V, this will be number 2. This will be number 3. And usually we put it so that it's being shown, or it's visual to everything. Corridor, walk-in closet, masters, ensuite 1, ensuite 2, and then here we need separation so that we could put walk-in closet again. There we go. And then we have bathroom, and at least we finish this labelings. What we could do now is go to 3D and check how it looks. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ground floor. I'm gonna do the surroundings first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same grass floor that we use here. So this will be floor number 3 CS, and then I'm gonna use that to cover the space around here. So here I'm gonna put in rectangle, and I'm just going to go right here and then just spread it around big enough to cover, to add some trees once we're in Twinmotion. And then after that, pick lines, and then we're just going to add these lines right here, SL, that's split element, and then TR. So that looks good. Click finish, and then we need to just quickly connect this TR, and then just click finish. So we have this space to add in more of the background and whatever we want to. And then let's add in the concrete for the rows here. So what I'm thinking of is another floor. So we're going to duplicate this. This will be floor number 6, 200 thickness, that's fine. And this will be concrete, so let's look for concrete. I'm gonna use this. And let's simply just add concrete right about here. And I'm just gonna use that to align this one. So big enough gap or big enough area so that we could have our views and whatnot. Okay, so that's fine enough, and we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.